Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button and do thumbs up. So today we are gonna make a in my video. Last time I saw you use a police station and a helicopter bike, and a bicycle. So today we are gonna make it. We're gonna make the helicopter in a house, small house. So let's start. Now I'm doing it by myself. And I didn't look at I don't have any instructions with it. I just wanted to do it because it looks awesome. So first of all, I got the floor of the helicopter and need 4 of these and put them on. You have to put them like that. That looks like that. Then you need these. You can look. We need 6 on the side. 2 equals 12 times it together. It's 12. So we need 12 circles on it, and you have to touch it in the middle. Then you need 2 of these. I mean 1 of these, but we have to get 2 dots in it. That looks like a bed. Now we have to do the safe. The safe is built for you. I can rebuild it by breaking it. I broke all of it for you, so I don't like it doesn't take long to break. Yeah. First of all, you get the glass. You touch it on it. You put money, just throw it goes in, and put the counter on and put it on the other side. So now I've done it, but I'm doing the back. So if you get 2 of these and put on the side like that, just put it on that side. Then you need 2 of these pieces, and you have to attach them like that. So half of it coming off and half of it on that. So we're gonna put something there so that's why it doesn't it will be a proper ground. You get 2 of these and put it on the sides. Now that's ready. Now I'm doing the floor of it. The floor is hard because you pick it up, but I'm building it first. Yeah, that's the easy way for me. You need 1 of those, and you need 2 of those. Then you attach 1 on the end, then the other one like that. Now kind of looks like a table because you can eat on that but it's not for a table. It has to go underneath like that. You just push it in, push that on it. Then you get the prison. You're gonna put that on the end, and now you can look at it how it looks like. Then we need these, but I use that for a cushion, but it's newspaper. I use it for cushion because it's easy for them to relax. And look, that's the prison on the back. Now I'm gonna do the pilot side. Let's I'm now starting with the helicopter, and you put badge here and a badge here. Then you put like a blue one first, but it has to be straight, and this one has to be like straight line on the top, like that, same as that. Then you need one of these. Right, there's 12 on it, then 12 squares. 12 circles on it. Then you put that on. Then you need like a controller section, like about how much speed and stuff. The siren. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the back button and do thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.